Welcome to Building an NHL Data Platform. This is episode 1, Data Collection. We're going to go through how to collect our data from NHL APIs and get that into a environment where we can use it. So for this situation, Python. So to get our information, we will go to NHL.com. We are going to go to stats to just see what's there. We will then inspect element, and we can see it loads up, giving us the HTML of the page. We don't care about that. We want to go to network. It needs to be refreshed for it to work, so let's reload the page. And now we can see all the things that are being sent and received by the website. So what we are interested in is things like this. Points. We can see an api.nhle.com, and it will give us the leaders, skaters points for the season of 2024-2025 and for game type 2. We don't know it yet, but game type 2 is regular season. So it's the points leaders for the regular season of last season. And actually get it in a usable format instead of either recording it all ourselves or taking it from the base NHL.com website, which is a lot more work. So we now have our URL still, and we know it works, but we can't really get anything from Insomnia. So we are going to go into Python. I use a Jupyter notebook because that's what I like to use. We need to import a couple things. So we need pandas as PT. Yep. And then we need requests, and we need JSON. Once we've got that, we can make the URL equal to what we have, and then we can fetch that URL. So we do response equals responses.getURL. So this will ask NHL, the NHL API, for the response in terms of our query. Then we do data equals response.json, and we can see that that will give us this right here, which then we need to go one step into it. So we make our data frame, pd.dataframe. It's just pandas. And that gives us everything inside data, which is, well, if we minimize data, it's everything. Everything's inside data. Then we can just print our data frame. And hey, there it is. If we look over here, we can see Nikita Kucherov, number 1, with 121, Nathan McKinnon at number 2 with 116, and we've got all the information in a usable format that we can now do with what we want in Python. Thank you so much for watching.